Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'm simply going to give you an honest answer on whether you can really change your TikTok's username without waiting 30 days or not. So you want to make sure to simply stick with us till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that. But if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So can you change your TikTok username without actually waiting for 30 days? In this video, we are simply going to discuss that. So simply make sure to stick with us and watch till the end because I'm going to give you an honest and a blatant answer. First things first, what you want to do is, let's say I open my TikTok right over here. As I open my TikTok and log into my account, you can see that this is how the home layout or the home interface of the TikTok app is going to look like. So in order to change my username, first of all, if I tap on my profile icon right over here and then tap on edit profile and then I tap on username, you can see it says that your username can be changed once every 30 days. You can change it again after July 10, 2022. So the thing is that I just recently changed my username today, which is the 10th of June right over here. And it says that I can only change it after 30 days, which is the 10th of July 2022. So how do we actually change TikTok username without actually waiting for 30 days? If I have to be honest with the answer, then there is actually no any way at all that you can actually change your TikTok username without waiting 30 days. There were many videos on the internet saying that you want to go to your settings, if you change the date and time, and if you manipulate the time to 1 month further than the current date, it will actually allow you to change it. And you could also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. No matter what you do, I have tried all of it, none of the solutions are going to work. So don't go ahead and look for questions that have no solutions at all, because I tried almost all of the solutions which were made on this topic, but none of the solutions seem to work. And if you try to talk to the TikTok's official support team, they will simply tell you that you will actually have to wait 30 days in order to change your username again. So the alternative thing only you can do is to simply wait 30 days until you are ready to change your username again. So we hope this video gave you some insights on whether you can change your TikTok username without waiting 30 days or not. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, then make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.